and welcome to your Daily 5 with Jane Gallina. I'm also known as Airplane Jane, and I'm out there on social media if you ever have any questions on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, my website, cjanetrade.com, and you are always welcome to email me at jane@cjanetrade.com. Well, in this time of economic turmoil with all the inflation rates, we got the bells going off, the big thing that's on people's mind is the cost of essential goods. So this week, I am looking at those consumer staples. People are always going to be buying food, right? Even though they're extras, they're Apple iPhones, their new computers, their Xboxes, things like that. The extra curricular type things might be going by the wayside as expenses go up, but food is always an essential item. So this week I am highlighting these essential consumer goods, consumer staples that people could be looking at, and the charts are telling us, hey, we are hitting new 52-week highs. And this could continue into the end of the year until we start to see that the Fed stops raising rates. So first up is going to be Mondelez. You can see just the past week, end of November, we did hit all-time highs for the year, 52-week highs. And right now, as long as we hold that $67 mark, I do like this to the upside. We have a nice support area of the volume down here, roughly $66. So like this for further moves to the upside if we can break above the 52-week high, keeping 67 as a stop. On the weekly chart, you can see we have very little resistance, very little selling happening right now, mostly buying. And when we look back, this is roughly 3 years. We have seen that this has just continued to move higher. We have had a nice move this year, up 12 points, and likely we're going to see 70 by the end of the year, in my opinion. Next up is going to be Post. Think about it. People are eating their cereals. What's a quick go-to? Some cereal and milk, and the chart is reflecting that people are buying more, right? More Post goods. Have you had your 2 scoops of raisins with your Raisin Bran? Well, right now, if we can break up above that 95 mark, again, that 52-week high, breakout would be my resistance to watch, and I'd watch the 92.50 level as support. Our weekly chart, we did have bigger volume in the past couple of weeks. And again, 92.50 would be the support that I am looking at. For General Mills, yet another wheat producing company. Wheat is in essence part of their cost. However, people are still buying food. That will not dissipate. We are up at new 52-week highs again. Would like this up above $87 for a move to the upside. Even though it's showing it's oversold, it can still continue higher with short squeezes, right? Looking at our weekly chart, we do have very little selling again. And just 4 weeks ago, look at this big volume buying into it on that breakout. So 85 as our support to hold that level. Next up is ConAgra Foods, ConAgra brands. Breaking out a little bit of a retracement today, but I do like this up above 38.50. Very little selling again. As we broke out above this 52-week high, we've seen a surge higher. And on the weekly chart, you can see we have quite a lot of buying support just below us, about 38.50. When we move, we got to end on a sweet note. That's right, Tootsie Roll. Tootsie Roll has been on quite a tear over the past year, moved from 30 up to 45, 50% gains, and quite little selling. On the weekly chart, we do see that we had a big spike the beginning of 2021. Are we going to continue up and aim for these highs again? In my opinion, if we come back to that 42.50 level, I would use that as support. We could see a little bit of a retracement and then a further move to the upside. Those are my 5 daily picks for today. That is also available if you'd like to see my live streams on YouTube. Please come and join me as a member, 8:15 every day that the market is open. That is your Daily 5 with Jane Gallina. Carpe Profit, seize those profits one trade at a time.
Hey guys, Dave Keller here with StockCharts.com. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, and we hope you did, hit the like button right below. Also, we have so much new content every day. Consider subscribing to the channel. Just hit the subscribe button in the video or right below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have a fantastic day.